So 1.1.4, these are called surd equations. Why? Well, there's an equal sign and there's a surd, so surd equation. Yeah, maybe they didn't think too much about the name. Anyway, let us continue. So first things first, we want to get rid of this ugly square root. Shame. Imagine how the square root feels after I just said that. Okay, look, whatever Mr. or Mrs. square roots, we're going to square you. Boom, boom. Square it, and whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other as well. So 3 squared is equal to 9. Root x times root x is simply equal to x. X minus 4 squared. So it might be easier for some of you to see. So it's going to be x times x, x times negative 4, and so on and so on. For me, it wasn't always that easy to see when I was in school. I must admit, I like to take a very long manual method here. So x minus 4, x minus 4. Remember, there's two brackets here, so we show it twice. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 4 is equal to minus 4x. Minus 4 times x is equal to, again, minus 4x. And negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 16. The two negatives cancel each other out. Add and subtract like terms. There's no other x squareds. Minus 4, minus 4. They are the coefficients of just x. So, again, x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, there are no other constants. And we can just plug that in. So this was like a little side quest that we just did. You gotta make maths like a game sometimes, to make it fun. Okay, this positive 9x we have on the left-hand side. When we take it over to the right, it becomes a negative 9x. So negative 8, well, minus 8, minus 9. That'll give us negative 17x. So if we just simplify it quickly. Okay, and that's it. Now we gotta think, what are the factors of 16 that'll give us a negative 17? So another side quest. So it's going to be 16 and 1, but a negative 16 and a negative 1 that give us negative 17. Okay. I always like to rearrange it and make the right-hand side equal to 0. It's just more mathematically accurate. That's how I am wired and how the memos are wired too. Just keep your 0 on the right-hand side. So just shift everything over quickly. So if we just plug in our brackets, so the x minus 16, well, that looks like x plus 6. Goodness gracious me. Erase it. So x minus 16 in your first bracket, x minus 1 in your second bracket, and now make it equal to 0. Okay, now I feel better. It looks better. It is more mathematically accurate. Okay, therefore, x is equal to 16 or x is equal to 1. Now, with surd equations, look, NB, just check your answers, man. Just check it. I'm going to underline it. I'm going to scream it at you, yo, whatever. Should I circle it as well? Check your answers, because 99% of the time, one of the answers will be not applicable. So if you sub in 16 here, this side will give you 12, and this side will give you 12 as well. Okay? If you plug in 16 here, the root of 16 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 16 minus 4 is also 12. So we know 16 works. Okay, you don't need to tick it or anything. You can just leave it like that. But if you sub in 1 here, sub in 1, the root of 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3. So the 1 here, it played you, just like your ex did. So we cut them out, my friend. We cut them out. They're toxic. You can write not applicable. You can write reject. I've seen in some of the prelim memos as well, they even put a line through it. So any one of those 3 rejections would be fine. Okay, and that's it.